Good morning to you all students. Today I am going to teach you measurement of chapter 7 and the topic is word problems based on measurement, and this is video number 4. So students, in this section we will discuss the story based on measurement of length, width and capacity. So students, I am giving you questions from your maths course book checkpoint 4. Now start students. Read the following stories carefully and then solve. Yes, the first word problem. Namrata drank 250 milliliter juice in the morning. She drank 280 milliliter juice in the evening. How much juice did she drink that day? So what we will do students? Yes, for this, first of all we will write statement and workspace. So first of all write statement here and this side workspace. So what will be the first statement? Namrata drank 250 milliliter juice in the morning. So amount of juice Namrata drank in the morning is equal to 250 milliliters. Okay. Now, she drank 280 milliliters juice in the evening. So, the second statement will be amount of juice she drank in the evening is equal to 280 milliliters. So, how much juice did she drank that day? So, that day how much juice Namrata drank? So, now write amount of juice she drank that day is equal to 250 milliliters. So what we will do for this students? Yes, for this we will add. So give addition sign here and here also 250 milliliters plus 280 milliliters. Now solve this. So 0 plus 0, we have to add 250 milliliters and 280 milliliters. So 0 plus 0, yes 0. 5 plus 8, yes 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. So 13, 3 we will write under the tens place and 1 as a carryover we will write at the 100 place. Okay. Now add 2 plus 2. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 and 1 carryover 5. So 530 milliliters. So students, don't forget to write this unit. So here amount of juice she drank that day 250 milliliters plus 280 milliliters is equal to 530 milliliters. So once again students, just read the statement and workspace. So amount of juice Namrata drank in the morning 250 milliliters. Amount of juice she drank in the evening, 280 milliliters. Amount of juice she drank that day. That day means whole day she drank 530 milliliters, means 2 times she drank, in the morning and in the evening. So the answer is 250 milliliters plus 280 milliliters is equal to 530 milliliters. So students, this word problem is based on measurement of capacity. Now I am going to give you one question from measurement of weight. Start students, second word problem. Astha is carrying a sack of grains weighing 3 kg and a packet of biscuits weighing 1 kg. What is the total weight of the things she is carrying? For this also students, what we have to do first? Yes, we have to write statement and workspace. So write statement here. Here workspace. So what will be the first statement? Yes, Astha is carrying a sack of grains weighing 3 kg and a packet of biscuits weighing 1 kg. So first of all we will write Astha is carrying a sack of grains weighing 3 kg. So how we will write? Weight of a sack of grains Astha is carrying is equal to 3 kg. So write 3 kg. Now, and a packet of biscuit weighing 1 kg. So the second statement will be weight of a packet of biscuits she is carrying so what is the weight? Yes, 1 kg. So here we will write 1 kg. Now what is the total weight of the things she is carrying? For finding the total weight, students, what we do? Yes, we add. So write here weight total weight of things she is carrying is equal to 3 kg plus 1 kg is equal to, so now do the workspace. So 3 plus 1 students, yes, 3 plus 1, 4, so 4 kg. So total weight of things she is carrying 3 kg plus 1 kg is equal to 4 kg. Now see students, weight of a sack of grains Astha is carrying is equal to 3 kg. Weight of a packet of biscuits she is carrying 1 kg. Total weight of things she is carrying 3 kg plus 1 kg is equal to 4 kg. Now students, I am going to give you one more word problem based on measurement of length. Now start students. Word problem number 3. See, Maya had a rope of length 90 centimeter. She cut it into 2 parts. If the length of the first part is 30 centimeter, what is the length of the other part? So what we have to do in this word problem students, we have to find the length of other part. So for this what we will do first? Yes. Again we will write statement and this side workspace. So what will be the first statement? Maya had a rope of length 90 centimeter. So here we will write as a first statement, length of a rope Maya had is equal to. So yes, the length of the rope is 90 centimeters. Now the second statement, she cut it into 2 parts. If the length of the first part is 30 centimeter, so the first part it is given 30 centimeter. So write in the second statement, length of the first part. So student, what is the length of the first part? It is given here. Yes. First part is 30 centimeter. Now what we have to do? We have to find the length of other part. For that what we will do students? Yes, just think and tell me. To find the length of the other part? Yes, we will subtract. So here we will give subtraction sign. So length of the other part is equal to 90 centimeter minus 30 centimeters. So do the workspace. Here 0 minus 0 students, what you will write? Yes, 0 minus 0. Here it will be 0. So we will write 0 under the ones column. And now 9 minus 3. Yes. Just subtract 3 from 9. Yes. 6. So 60 centimeter. So length of the other part is equal to 90 centimeter minus 30 centimeter is equal to 60 centimeters. So see students, once again, length of a rope Maya had 90 centimeter. Length of the first part 30 centimeter. Length of the other part. So length of the other part 90 centimeter minus 30 centimeter is equal to 60 centimeter. So understood students? Today I have taught you word problems based on measurement. Now note down your homework students. So students, this is your homework. Worksheet 7.5, question number A 1 to 4 and question number B, page number 34 and 35. Students, word problems you have to do in your maths copy. Write statement and workspace.